Okay, hello. The next section here, 5.4, directions say solve by elimination. And we've been doing these. We started off solving by graphing. The last one we solved by substitution. And now this is a third process. We have a system of equations. We have two equations. X plus y equals 4. X minus y is negative 10. Well, if you look in your columns, you see an X column, a Y column, and then the constant column, the 4 and the negative 10. Well, if I go ahead and draw a line, I want to add the columns up. Well, X plus X gives me 2X. Y plus negative Y is 0. So technically, that's eliminated. That's why this process is called elimination. So I'm not going to write any y's down. It would equal 4 plus negative 10, which is negative 6. And to solve that equation, divide by 2. So my 2's can be gone. X would be negative 3. But now we need to find what the y is. So I'm going to take that negative 3 and plug it into the top equation, which, I'll write it again, x plus y is 4. And I'm going to put negative 3, that answer, in place of x. So I have negative 3 plus y equals 4. And I simply solve that by adding 3 to both sides. So this is eliminated. And y would equal 4 plus 3 is 7. So my two answers, negative 3 and 7, if you wanted to write that as an ordered pair, it would look like that, negative 3, comma 7. Elimination method. Hit the pause button, and you guys try this one on your own. With this one, you can tell my b's, I have a negative b and a positive b, so that's my eliminated column. A plus A is 2A, and that would equal 28. Divide by 2. A is 14. I'm going to take that 14 to the very top equation. Now again, I always take it to the top equation, but you don't have to. You can take it to any of the two blue equations. The top one reads, 14 minus b is 8. I would solve that by subtracting subtracting 14, which gives me, be careful there, negative b equals negative 6. And watch your algebra here. You have to divide by negative 1. So b is positive 6. So watch your negative there. So A is 14, B is 6. And notice again, we're always getting two answers. Again, hit the pause button, and you guys work the third one out on your own. With this one, draw your line. The y column's eliminated. It's going to be 3x equals 6. When I divide by 3, that gives me an answer of x equals 2. Take that 2. I like to go to the very top. 2 times x, so 2 times 2, plus y is 4. In other words, 4 plus y is 4. And y is going to be 0 because I subtract 4 from both sides. And y gives me an answer of 0. So x is 2, y is 0. One more. Hit the pause button. You guys try this one on your own. With this one, the first column eliminates because it's a positive m and a negative m. The opposites always eliminate. Then that would give me 5n equals 5. When I divide by 5, that means n is 1. And I'm going to take that answer, n is 1, and I always go up to the top. So m plus 3n, so plug your 1 in there, equals 2. In other words, m plus 3 equals 2. Solve that by subtracting 3. So m would equal -1. I believe that's it. Yes, it is. That's all I have. Good luck on those problems.